Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for your time to have an interview with us. First, can you briefly introduce the company and the product and the job position?
Yes, my name is Latina. I'm a sales representative in the company. Our company is Mebeli Draghi. We produce furniture for offices, hotel equipment, as well as industrial equipment. This is my colleague. He's the chief of the operations, and his name is Gerchu Gerchev.
Okay, thank you. And the first question: how satisfied are you with our machine in your daily operation?
Доколко сме удовлетворени от машините в ежедневната си оперативна работа?
През изминалите 2 седмици ние ги монтирахме и се обучавахме на тях. За момента мога да кажа, че сме доста доволни. Работата с тях е сравнително лесна.
During the past 2 weeks, we have assembled all the machines and tried to work with them. So for now, we can say that we can easily work with the machines, and we are pretty satisfied.
Но все още се обучаваме.
But we educate at the moment.
Остава да ги усвоим.
So we must implement everything as knowledge to work properly with them.
Okay.
За сега сме доста доволни от машините.
For now, we are pretty satisfied of the machines with the work.
Thank you for satisfied with our machines, and I think our machines will help your production efficiently.
We think as well. We thank you as well.
Thank you. And the next question is, does the cutting accuracy and the cutting speed meet your requirements?
Скоростта на рязане и начинът на рязане дали отговарят на нашите изисквания?
Да, изключително сме доволни и не сме имали друг път такава машина. Доста са бързи и се надяваме бързо да ги интегрираме в нашето производство.
The machines are pretty fast, and we haven't had such machines till now, so we are impressed, and we hope to integrate them in our production as soon as possible and to work in a full speed.
Thank you. And the next question is, are you satisfied with our engineering service?
Да, той е страхотен.
He's a great.
Отзова се на всякакви наши въпроси и е винаги готов да отговори.
He meets all our requests and is always on site to reply on any question.
Thank you. He must be happy.
Yeah, we are happy as well.
You happy? Happy.
Yeah.
And the next question is, will you recommend us to other customers?
Дали ще ги препоръчаме на други клиенти?
Разбира се, с 2 ръце.
Yes, with great pleasure, with 2 hands.
Okay. Thank you for your time to have an interview with us. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you too.
Thank you too.